Good morning, students. Hope all of you have done well in your exams. Now, before exams, we are doing the chapter triangles and its properties. Continue with the same chapter. Let's have one more topic. Today's topic is centroid and orthocenter of a triangle. Today's learning outcome means after watching this video, you will be able to identify centroid and orthocenter of a triangle. Also, you will be able to differentiate median and altitude of a triangle. Now let us start with the median of a triangle. Now what is a median of a triangle? A median of a triangle is the line segment that joins a vertex to the midpoints of the opposite side. Now look at the given triangle beta. ABC triangle is given to you. If you draw a line segment AD from vertex A, it divides side BC into two equal parts. It bisects it, right? That means D is the midpoint of BC side, right? Here AD is the median. Now, in one triangle, we can draw three medians. You have to remember this thing. Now, what is the centroid of a triangle? The point of congruence of medians of a triangle is called centroid of the triangle. Now, look at the figure ABC. Here, three medians are there. AD is the median, BE, CF. These three medians meet at the point G. Now, note down this point G is the centroid of the triangle. जहाँ पे तीनों medians मिलते हैं, that point is called the centroid of the triangle. Now few things you have to remember. Now when you remember these things, it will be help you to solve the worksheet better, worksheet 5. Now note it down. Medians of the triangles are concurrent. Note it down, that means they meet at one point, right? Now second is medians of an equilateral triangle are equal. It means they are equal in lengthwise. Medians to the equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Again, they are equal in length. Median to the base of isosceles triangle is perpendicular to the base. That means it makes an angle of 90 degree. Now, centroid of a triangle divides each of the median in the ratio 2:1. Now, look at this figure. In this triangle, ABC, AD is the median, G is the centroid. Now, this G point, it divides AD in the ratio 2:1. That means AG length and GD length. It is in the ratio 2:1, right? Similarly for BE and similarly for the CF. That means जो centroid है वो median को 2:1 में divide करता है, right? Now the next point is centroid of a triangle lies in the interior of the triangle. Now the next part is altitude of a triangle. Now what is the altitude? An altitude of a triangle is the line segment from a vertex of the triangle perpendicular to the opposite side. Now look at this figure. ABC's triangle is given to you. In this triangle, AL is the altitude as it makes an angle of 90 degree to the side BC. So it is the altitude of the triangle, right? ABC is acute angle triangle and AL is the altitude. Now, triangle ACB, right angle triangle is given to you. It is right angle at C. In this triangle, AL is the altitude. So, as it is a right angle triangle, so the point L coincides with C, right? In next figure, you have a obtuse angle triangle where B is the obtuse angle. Now, in this triangle, AL is the altitude from the vertex A and it lies outside the triangle. Now the next topic is beta orthocenter of the triangle. Now what is the orthocenter? Now as we know, we can draw three altitude in one triangle, right? Here in this figure AD, BE, CF. All these three medians where they meet, जहाँ पे वो तीनों meet करते हैं, that point is called the orthocenter, right? Here T is the orthocenter of the given triangle ABC. Now orthocenter of obtuse angle triangle, it always lies in the exterior of the triangle. You have to remember this thing better. Now look at the figure. It is very much clear that where point where all these altitudes meet, or it lies in the exterior of the triangle. Again, you have to remember few things about the altitude and orthocenter. Write these points carefully. Now it will help you to solve the worksheet 6.